Good day, guys. If you've ever wanted to bring your favorite anime characters to life or build your own custom AI companion from scratch, you need to check out Emochi AI. So this year, it's become one of the most immersive roleplay platforms, combining deep LLM conversations with high-end image generation. And today, I'm showing you the ultimate beginner's guide. So when you first open the Emochi or the website, you'll see a massive library of community-made bots. You can jump straight into the chat, but the real power is the Create tab. So let us firstly sign in easily. You can just use Google account, which I will do. Also, if you want, instead, you can just use the presets. So you can see we have multiple presets that are also split by categories. So we have the presets by time, we have the genres, as you can see. And yeah, whenever you're ready to use the chat, you just choose one and click on it. But if you want to create a new character, so you go to Me, press on the Create, and in here, let me explain to you how this works. So these are going to be pretty much your personality and backstory fields. So you can use a quick mode, let's use it, or the expert mode. And in here you start describing. Also, don't forget that Emochi has a 6,000 character limit, so use it. Don't just say they are nice. Describe their flaws, their secret goals, and how they speak. Do they use slang? Are they formal? You can even upload an image of an anime character, and Emochi's vision AI will automatically suggest traits and styles to match that look. And now selecting the model is pretty much where most people get stuck. So AI models like Plus, Ultra, and Flagship are available. If you're on a free tier, you'll get a great casual chat, but if you want long-term memory and complex roleplay, you might need to use the mochis. It's the platform's currency to unlock the flagship models. These models are specifically tuned for visual storytelling, meaning they can generate images of your character based on what's actually happening in your chat. And if you want to just use the preset ones, say you want some kind of girl, for example, right? Let me see. So, for example, this one, right? So you just start the chat. As you can see, they are starting with some kind of intro. So they're, usually they start talking to you, and then you just use the chat and respond. Also, we have prompts, auto reply, as you can see. So that's pretty nice. So when you answer, they answer to you. So that's pretty much how you use this Emochi AI service. If this helped you build your dream character and assist using the ready bots, hit that subscribe button, and thank you for watching.